Here's a setup that I got so far. Found my fan. Got a cool light that I can use for YouTube. The couch, which is gonna be for the dog. Over here, I got my laptop hooked up to this monitor, which I will either keep the crypto prices or stock prices on here, or I could put my Patreon in the background so people can look at that. My monitor setup, I always try to show this monitor right here in the picture, standard monitor. So this is going to be for like gaming, webcam view. This is how I normally do it. Got a little monitor down here. That's my YouTube, looking at the camera monitor. And of course, I finally fixed my mic. It'll come around here. And everything's down here. PS5 and the desktop. And I got a little space over here with all my remotes and stuff that I can use. But it's starting to come along.